Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video descriptions. Today I will talk to you about Osaka Tenmangu Shrine. Osaka Tenmangu Shrine is a historic shrine in Kita-ward, Osaka. It was built in 949 and is dedicated to Sugawara no Michizane, the god of the learning. Many students and visitors come to pay for success in exam. Every year, people write their wish on a wooden patriquets Emma and leave them at the shrine. The most famous event at Osaka Tenmangu is the Tenjin Festival held on January 24th and 25th. It's one of the Japanese three great festivals and a major summer event in Osaka. The festival includes a grand parade and on land and a boat procession on the river. At night, fireworks light up the sky. Recently, more international visitors have joined, making it a global event. Near the shrine, you can visit Tenma Market and Tenjin Suji Shopping Street, the longest shopping street in Japan. Here you can enjoy local food and shopping. Recently, new cafes and traditional sweet shops have opened, making the area great for walking after visiting the shrine. The shrine is easy to access. It's close to Minami Morimachi Station on the Osaka Metro Tanimachi and Sakai Suji lines, and Osaka Tenmangu Station on the JR Tozai line. With its rich history, culture, and exciting festival, Osaka Tenmangu is the most visited spot in Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.